Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can fix when it says that our DNS server is not or is unavailable in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. So for that, let us now begin, and we will be opening the command prompt window. So to do that, just go to your Windows search tab there, type cmd, and then you will be able to see under best match the command prompt option. So please go to the right section and you will see there the run as administrator option. So please click on that and then just click on yes to proceed, and you will be seeing a black window here. So we have here the Windows system. All we need to do is just to type ipconfig space forward slash release flush DNS. I'm sorry for that. Okay, again, it's ipconfig space forward slash flush DNS. Now, once done typing, just click on OK or Enter. And once it says that the DNS resolver cache is successfully flushed, then you can now close this button. Close this window, and then let us set now the DNS server for your device. So to do that, let's just open the run window. In your keyboard, press Windows R key all together, and here we need to type ncpa.cpl. Again, it's ncpa.cpl. Now, once done, please click on OK or Enter, and then you will be able to see the network connections in your device. So if you're connected with a Wi-Fi, you will be able to see this green icon here. And if you're connected with an Ethernet, then you will be able to see the Ethernet options. So since I am connected with a public Wi-Fi or public network, I am seeing this one. And once you click on that, please make a right click, go to the last option, properties, and once you do that, this small window will be coming up. Here we need to go to the Internet Protocol version 4, this one, and please click on the properties option here, and you will see another window coming up. So here in my DNS server, I have here the preferred and alternate DNS servers. I have set the Google DNS server. So if you have the 1.1.1.1 for the preferred DNS, then that means that you are using the cloud DNS. So as for my device, I am using the cloud. The Google, and it works perfectly fine. So I will not be changing that. So if in your case you're using cloud and it's taking too much to load in your browser, then I suggest that you go or you change it to Google DNS, just like this one, 8.8.8.8 for the preferred, and for the alternate, just type 8.8.4.4, and then once done, you can now click on OK and close this windows, make a quick restart with your device, and see the problem will now be fixed. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Bye bye.